We're diving deep into the Gmail app to uncover its latest features and updates that make managing your email easier than ever. Whether you've been a long-time Gmail user or it's your first time to use the app, stay tuned because some of these updates may just change the way you use Gmail. So first on our list, let's take a quick look at the Gmail app itself. Gmail is more than just an inbox. It's a powerful tool for managing emails, staying organized, keeping your communications at one point. Available on Android, iOS, even the web version, the Windows version, and it continues to evolve with new updates that make it faster and much more smarter. So you can easily synchronize multiple accounts, filter out spams, and stay connected across your devices with Gmail's seamless interface. The Gmail app has seen several updates and new features recently. Here are some of the key highlights. Gmail now integrates Google Chat, Spaces, and Meet, allowing you to switch between these apps seamlessly within the Gmail app.
So let me first go to the Play Store to make sure that app is up to date. And let me go to search Gmail. Then it's up to date. So let's look at the app integrations that are in Gmail. First of all, the calendar app. The calendar app is linked to our Gmail. Let's go to our contacts are linked with our Gmail. We also have our meeting just right here. And you can either join a meeting or you can create a new meeting right here. So the choice is yours. So far those are the spaces that are integrated in that. So those are the applications embedded with our Android application. So because this is the update, so let's go to our web version and see what do we have that side. We looked at the calendar. The calendar was on the app. We didn't see Google Keep. We didn't see tasks. We saw contacts. So here we also have the AI email writer, Zoom for Gmail, GPT for Gmail. The app includes advanced security features like warning of suspicious emails and better authentication to protect your account. Are you tired of unwanted emails? You can now block or unsubscribe from emails directly within the app. It is quick and easy. It helps us to keep our inbox clean. How can I block an email? First of all, I'll come to right here. I'll select any email that I feel like. I'm going to tap the three-dot menu. I can either report as a scam or unsubscribe. When I unsubscribe, that means I'll not get the emails from this email. I'll not get always the updates from this email. I can even block it if I want. The only way I can block this email is I leave alone this three-dot menu, but I have to go to this three-dot menu right here and I'll say block. So I've blocked it. So do you want your emails to stand out? Gmail now offers more formatting options like letting you change fonts, colors, and even other visual elements that can make your email more appealing. I just wanted to send an email in color, so let me try to reply this email and let me type in thank you. Okay, thanks. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to highlight. There is an optional color. I think it's right there. I've set it to red. So let's check. Wow, our email has changed. Our color is red.
Yeah, we can format it in different ways. Reply. So I type in thanks. After typing in thanks, let me select, then turn it to red. I just wanted the text color, not the background color. So let me undo that. Then select, then head over to the text color, make it red. Let me try to bold it a little bit. After bolding it, wow, it's, yeah, good. So I'll apply some italics. Let me apply on the very word. Then let me try to increase the font size. Let me make it large. Then font style, let me use that. Then bullets, that's point number 1. Managing multiple accounts with Gmail's unified inbox. You can view emails from all your accounts in a single inbox. No more switching between accounts, which is really hectic. You can just view it at once. What we're gonna do is I'm going to go to the settings, then I'll go to general settings, then I'll scroll down. That setting is not in general settings. I'll go to my email, and now I'll select the inbox type. It only has proxy inbox, starred fast, and red list, important fast, and default inbox, but it doesn't have the multi inbox. So let's head over to our web version, and we see. Then I'll go to settings, then I'll go to see all settings, then I'll head over to inbox, then I'll go to the inbox type. There is default, important fast, unread fast, third fast, priority inbox, then multiple inboxes. Yeah, so it has showed me the multiple inboxes. So what we're gonna do is we'll add the section names and all that, what's required of us. But let me know in the comment section if you want me to explore the web version of the email, so we can go through all these settings and we get to know them. Gmail has also undergone a visual transformation with some design updates. The app now features a sleek, modern look based on Google's Material U design. The app now features a sleek, modern look based on Google's Material design, making Gmail not just functional but visually appealing and user-friendly. You can also customize the layout that suits your preferences, whether you're into switching between apps or organizing your labels in a way that looks best for you. So for those that are looking to be more productive with Gmail, these features will be a game changer. So as we have seen, we are in a generation of AI where it has been integrated in different apps. So in Gmail too, AI-powered tools like Smart Compose, Smart Reply helps you to write emails faster by suggesting phrases and providing quick replies. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. That means that if you want to use it, you need to use it often so that it becomes more smarter. Let me go to this. I'm going to tap and I insert an AI email writer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to type the same message. Thanks for your services, then I'll generate. So I'm using the AI email writer to generate this. So it has generated the entire message. So I feel free to customize it the way you want your style. Yeah, I know this is not the perfect, but it has given you the idea of how to reply. Finding emails is now much easier than ever. Search tips. These filters appear in when you're searching for something, allowing you to quickly narrow down your results by the sender, date, or even keywords. Sincerely speaking, we don't have filters yet on our app. So yet we need to search. Let's try. Searching, it doesn't bring any filters. Heading over to our web version, let me come right here and let me search for TUM and let me filter maybe from to, and the subject, maybe the subject I used during the email, I can type it right here, and the name that has TUM, and it shouldn't have, and the size here we can range the size, and here we can range the date. Which date was it? A week ago? Here we can specify the date. We can search in either all emails or start or sent email, drafts, and yeah, we can also create a filter. So before we wrap up everything, here are some few pro tips for getting the most out of Gmail. Speed up your Gmail experience by using keyboard shortcuts on the desktop version. For example, pressing C lets you compose a new email instantly, and E archives your email without lifting your fingers away from the keyboard. So, have you ever sent an email too soon? With the undo send feature, lets you recall emails within a few seconds of sending them. So, a lifesaver for those quick mistakes. After opening the Gmail, let me for instance send thanks, then I'll send a reply. Let me send thanks. Oh, it has gone. So what I'm gonna do is just undo. So I'm undoing. Oh, it has not gone. Yeah, and that is it for today's breakdown of the Gmail app and its latest features. Whether you're into exploring new integrated view and taking advantage of smart compose, or customizing your layout with Material Design 3, Gmail continues to evolve into a must-have tool for email management. So make sure that you like this video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to 1V Tech for more app reviews and tutorials, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so I don't miss out on the updates. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.